Hello! I just wanted to show. It's the first time I made a video in a long time. I just wanted to show something I've been working on. So, yeah, modding tools for Full Spectrum Warrior. And I have a GitHub page here, and I put it on the MIT license, so do what you want with it. Literally. If you want to contribute, feel free. I put the release here, but the release is just this. This is just a Python script. And you can just download it and run it just like it says here. If you have Python 3 and PyQt5, then you can just run Python and then this when you have this one downloaded. You can also get the wait, why does it look like this? GH, GH, GH. Okay, is that the new version? I know about git clone. So if you just say I want it, so you can get it. Git. There you go. It's a very small file. So full spectrum wire modding tools. And I'm gonna guess this also works on Windows. I haven't tested it yet. If it doesn't, I will test it soon. If it doesn't, I will be updating it to make sure it does. Because I want it to work on Windows. But yeah, you can just say that. Then you get to this screen. Freedonator's Full Spectrum Warrior Modding Kit. Back up your game before doing anything. Or you can just be cool and not do that. It will make .back files, but like I say, better safe than sorry. But you can always, it's not the biggest game, so you could just say verify file integrity by removing the files if there's something wrong. Now I added something really cool, this no downs limit. That was really hard to do. I had to use Gitra, and because I tried first with Cheat Engine a lot, but I just couldn't figure that out. Like it was like just didn't make sense. Nothing made sense, and like I couldn't just make like oh more than one uh find that number or something. I guess it's different how this programmed in this game. It's difficult at least, unless someone can prove me wrong. But I was able to get a review copy of the PlayStation 2 game, which had some symbols on it that I put into Gitra, and I was able to look at the functions with casualty and stuff. And I was able to find where it does it. So I was able to patch the binary by basically disabling that part. And now you can have as many people down as you want without mission failure, which can be pretty funny. I'll show you. I'll show you. Okay, first we need to find the game install location. So here, if you're on Linux, Steam is going to be in hidden files. So you just right click, show hidden files. You can also paste the location just directly in there. You can just write it. But yeah, so local share. Oops, I clicked too fast. Then you go Steam, Steam here. I'm so used to double clicking. For some reason, when you do this in Python, it doesn't double click. You just click there and then choose. And let's say, yeah, I want no downs limit. There you go. And if you click it again, it will say it will already apply it. So it knows. It knows. I also want no mission failures. This one is, yeah, literally you can't get a mission fail, from my testing at least. It will disable all the mission failures inside of the mission descriptors in each of all the level files. So for example, you can kill the platoon leader and mission won't fail. You can kill the medic, mission won't fail. Now the caveat is that if you kill the medic, you can't be you can't be revived. So like he just never comes because he's dead. If you kill the platoon leader, nothing happens really. He's just dead. Like for some reason the animations or the cutscenes still seem to work if he's dead. He just doesn't talk, and you're just like, yeah, yo, let's go. So let's do that. That one takes a sec because it needs to do all of them. There you go. I also put this. This one is very important if you want to play multiplayer. It replaces all occurrences of GameSpy openspy.com with openspy.net. So now you can play multiplayer, online multiplayer. There's also another hack here. I put 999 grenades, M203, and smoke grenades. Those buttons does it for all the levels. I also added custom resolution, so it's much easier for you to edit if you don't know. It's simple. It's actually just a text file inside the game called resolution.cfg. So, but you can just use this one. It makes it easier, I guess. Everything in one place, right? Now edit descriptors. If you choose like a level, like first chapter, these are everything in the missions. All it does. Now, I want uh, I want you to be able to do whatever you really want, like be able to change the targets. But the problem is, if the text is longer, there's no way to increase it. So this is a bit experimental still. It needs to be the same length or shorter. So it's easier, for example, with numbers like active 1 or 0 and everything. So if you want to mess around with this, you can. And then you save there. And then it will be saved, for example. Like the patch to like all the mission failures. As you see, there are no mission failures. It's just lose function. Let me see if I find it. It checks for all the occurrences of not the. Wait a minute. Yeah, this one, for example. If I make this bigger, I need to fix this. There you go. See, type loose behavior descriptor. This is the name, and this is the loose. So loose behavior descriptor it automatically finds all of these and sets active to 0. So, for example, here now, platoon leader can be killed, the medic can be killed, and other stuff with missions as well. Maybe I could make it in the future where it's only killed that doesn't, but I don't know. Game rules. Now this one is pretty interesting. So in here, you can set, for example, how much ammo and everything you want to have. That's like down here. This is ammo, and see, it automatically puts all the grenades and stuff to 999 if you chose this one. But you can also change all the ammos and cover damage and everything. So there's a lot of stuff you can do here, and you can add crazy values because where this is inside of the pack archive has a bunch, like a crap ton of nulls. So there and it can be increased. Uh, so that means that it can be really big. It can be really big until it doesn't. And now I programmed this, but I haven't actually tested it all the way. But it's been programmed to make sure you can't exceed. But I haven't myself been able to exceed it yet. Now, other things inside of these rules are UI stuff, like the colors for UI, for miscellaneous here. I think, if I remember, this is for the GPS. But yeah, so you can change certain colors. Now I'm gonna, like I said in my GitHub, I'm looking into making it like I want to test all of these colors and make sure I know exactly what all of them do, and add an extra tool that only changes the HUD elements, like the position and stuff, and the colors. And I want to show like screenshots and what you'll be changing and how you're changing it. So like we can make some crazy HUD mods with this. So yeah, let's just check out these patches I just made or I applied. So let's go and close this and go right into the game. So here you go. Yeah, let's go the first level because it doesn't have a long cutscene at the start. Skip the American. I'm also planning on adding a localization tool. See how that will work out. It's a little bit a little bit hard to understand how the localization file exactly works. So I'm not sure if I can make it longer or it has to be the same byte size. Oh, really? Look what I'm gonna do. You see Bravo team over there? You see them? How about we shoot them? Man down. Look at this. It's a one-man team. So let's go and you see that guy over there? You see him? How about we get him too? It looks like he's down over there. See what I mean? If you have the platoon leader down, like, the game just carries on. I did experience though, if you do this with another level. My God, I don't know what they're doing. If you do this on another level, where, for example, the third level, where you can get the first time you get Charlie team, if you down those two guys before the cutscene, then wait a minute. Wait a minute. See him over there? The doctor looks sus. And then for some reason you get stuck. Oh. You get stuck in a cutscene forever. Oh no! Our main man medic is down. I don't know why, it's so satisfying to see the game is just carrying on like nothing happened. So I'll just show you that nothing will happen now. If something happens, I'm surprised. But yeah, the medic can't help him now. Now I would love to see if I can figure out to if I can make us be able to pick, for example, the platoon leader up and be able to actually revive him. I think that'll be a funny thing to be able to do, but the game is pretty like there's some stuff that's really plain text, but a lot of it is very covered up. So he's just, we're good to go. But the guy, like, bro, how are we good to go? Curious if that cutscene will start with the guy. Hold on, let's test that real quick. Because you know how the medic is supposed to be a part of that cutscene? I wonder if that's gonna be affected. Let's just have Bravo do it. Two-man team, two-man team. That's what I'm talking about. Alright. Let's see. Like, will this cutscene still work? I don't remember if I did this already. I'm just thinking, cause you see the guy over there? You see him? I don't know, he's like, it's trying to make it an oh, okay. Yes, sir. See, for some reason the game is like, okay, platoon leader dead. It's okay. It's okay. I know. This is pretty messed up. Alright. I was gonna show some changing colors and some hot elements, but I forgot exactly which ones actually do something. So, yeah. Now you know how to use this tool and now you know about it. Feel free to contribute if you like. Uh, make post issues if you experience any issues. And yeah, see you.